do mathematicians care so much about limits? What's the big deal about a function or sequence approaching a certain value? Well, it turns out that limits are a fundamental concept in mathematics, serving as critical tools for understanding and manipulating functions, and playing a pivotal role in calculus and many other mathematical areas. So what exactly is a limit? Imagine a function f(x). The limit of this function as x approaches a certain value, let's say c, is the value that f(x) approaches as x gets closer and closer to c. This is denoted by the symbol lim x c f(x). The limit represents the behavior of f(x) as x gets closer to c, regardless of whether x is approaching from the left or the right. But let's get a bit more formal with the definition. For every positive value greater than 0, denoted as epsilon, there exists another positive value greater than 0, represented as delta, such that for all x in a D neighborhood of C, this means that the absolute value of x, C, is less than delta. The absolute value of fx, L, is less than epsilon. In simpler terms, as x gets closer to C, the values of fx get closer to L, and this holds true for any arbitrarily small epsilon. It's a bit of a complex definition, but it essentially captures the idea that as we get closer and closer to a certain point, the function behaves in a predictable manner. Let's look at some examples to make this clearer. Consider the function fx equals sign 1x. As x approaches 0, the function fx approaches positive infinity. We can represent this as lim x0 fx equals sign put. Another example is the function gx equals sign x squared. As x approaches -1, the function gx approaches 1. We can write this as lim x1 gx equals sign 1. So why are limits so important? Well, they are essential for understanding and analyzing functions. Limits are used to define key concepts in calculus like derivatives, integrals, and continuity. But their use extends beyond pure mathematics. They are also used in a wide range of applications, including physics, engineering, and computer science. In essence, limits are a fundamental concept that helps to understand the behavior of functions as they approach a certain value. They provide a robust tool for mathematical analysis and have a wide range of applications in various fields. So the next time you encounter a limit, you'll know exactly why it's so critical.